Right, okay, it's good day. We're going to do the unboxing of the Galaxy Watch Ultra, the white one. It just delivered to my house. So here in UK, let's see what is inside the box. Galaxy Watch Ultra. Get rid of that. Unbox. Ready. Open. Open here, I suppose. Let's do. Okay. Inside the box. Ah, nice. Some paperwork. Back, plastic. Samsung final things to do, postage options, so on. That's to send them back my old Samsung Pro watch with packing list, order details, and here it is. The box inside the box. Lovely. Oh, feels heavy. Feels good. Right. Let's see. Here the Galaxy Ultra Watch. Kind of heavy, but let's try to open it. Okay, sealed up here, beautifully sealed. They follow the Apple style of boxing, I guess. Right. Okay. One more seal on the bottom, so that's good. Nobody opened it from the factory, just me. And let's see. Oh, beautiful. This is beautiful sliding option. Oh, where is my watch? Box inside the box. What is that? There's another sealed. Uh, well, we need a knife. Hold on. Actually, I have a surgical electronics knife. Right. Slide it. Try not to slide that. And wow. Ooh, the module. See how beautiful this is. Packed with sensors and LTE version. They are only LTE. That means you can add the SIM and make and receive phone calls without the need of your phone. Here, we have the strap. Let's see. And the strap. Oh, it's the rubber. This is the diving. Well, swimming strap. Silicone. Let's try to fit it. Uh, you have to press the tab and small press mechanism. Well, this is 24 millimeters this time. The old Samsung, the Samsung Pro, it used to be the 20 millimeters. So you cannot use this strap if you have many straps. You have to buy new ones for the 20 for the Ultra. Okay, See this size difference here. And where is the charger? Yeah, the charger must be inside the box. There is a tab to lift. There is another box. Yeah, and here is the charger. Lovely, nothing missing here. Brand new charger. Beautiful feeling. Right. I will put all that on the side and try to synchronize with my Galaxy Ultra, the S23 Ultra, and hopefully retain my data from sleeping and everything onto the new watch. So in the meantime, talk amongst yourselves. See you.